Hi, it's Kristen from MYNT3D to show you that 3D pens are all fun and games. Let's start by making a Scrabble tile using PLA wood filament. Draw 2 layers of filament in your square template. Switch to black filament to pen in the letter and numerical value. These are fun for playing and decorating. Next up is the traditional board game piece that you'll recognize from the game Sorry. Trace the base of an original piece and fill it in with your 3D pen. Draw a line with a ball at one end. The line should be about 1.5 inches tall. Stand the piece upright, centered in the circle. Draw filament from halfway down the stick to the outer edge of the circle, like you're making a skirt on it. Last, we're going to use translucent PETG filament to make a replica Blokus piece, which is helpful if you lose a game piece. Trace one solid layer of your needed shape. Draw a second layer only in the center of the squares. Flip and repeat on the other side. Enjoy your favorite games with all the pieces you need.